Myself Maruti, welcoming you all to Ram Maruti Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain a logical and tricky sum from arithmetic progression. The topic what I have chosen is nth term. In that nth term also, the application part, as I have said to you in my earlier videos, we use nth term formula to find specific term, the last term, and the position number, and also to find the value of an. Okay, so in this video I'm going to explain specific, right? I'm going to use the nth term formula. I'm going to find a specific term. That's the video now. Let's see. Right, see here, progressions, arithmetic progression, nth term formula. I'm going to do application, that to finding the specific term. Now, before getting into the formula, let me recall the formula for you. Nth term formula, a plus n minus 1 into the, this is the formula what we are going to use. In this one, as I said earlier in my earlier videos, how many number of variables are there, right? The variables are, the first one a, right, a, the first term. The second variable is d, yes. The third variable is n, the n, and the fourth variable is an. These are the four variables what we are having. Out of these four variables, any one will be questioned, right? Which one is that? We should understand. Then you may get a question. Why he is asking only one? Why? Because simple logic. In the nth term formula, how many equal symbol is there? We are having only one equal sign. So, if only one equal sign is there, only one value can be found out. That's what the logic is. So, out of these four, which one he is questioning? Okay, now let me do. So, find the 11th term. He is asking, he is giving the roll number. He wants the 11th person. He wants the term who is sitting in the 11th place. Shall I straight away say that n is the roll number? Yes. So, please remember, right? N is the roll number here. So, roll number, what's the roll number? What is the position number? He is asking 11. So, means n is given to you. It's 11. Right? In the same way, he has given a series to you. Right? From the series, you can find it out. The first term. Yes, this is the first term. And one more. What is that? It's nothing but d. D means what? It's a common difference. The difference between any two terms means you can figure it out, right? Directly or indirectly, he has given to you. The first value he has given, the first one is nothing but minus 3. Yes, he has given that, and we can figure it out, the d, we will do the calculation. Now, what he is asking, what is the variable which is, what he is asking? Simply, it's nothing but A12. That is the question for you, right? Again I repeat, nth term formula, find how many variables are there? 4. Which one is question? You have to figure it out back first. Right? Here he is saying find the 12th term, the person sitting in the, 11th term, find the person sitting in the 11th roll number. Right? So it's nothing but A12 he is questioning. So the remaining all, the A, D and N he will be giving either directly or indirectly he will give. Why? Because only one question, one should be questioned, and he is questioning An. In that he is saying find A12. Okay, let us figure it out all the sums. So the given series is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. He is asking us to find the 11th person, the term which is in the 11th roll number. Let's go like this. Given series of AP, given series of AP. What's the series there? So straight away whatever the series he has given, I like to plug in that. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. This is the given series for us. Now out of this, let's find the first term. Of course, we can straight away go here. A equals A1 equals minus 3, the first term. Right? Of course, by seeing that one only we can say second term is minus 1 by 2. Let us figure out the common difference now. So common difference, right? Common difference we represent it by d. What's the d value? We know the formula. The difference between any two consecutive terms. The difference between any two consecutive terms. Which are the two consecutive? The first and second we are picking. It's a2 minus a1. Minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. This is the given question for you, which equals 1. Write negative 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus 3 and it's 3. Okay, let us take LCM and figure it out what we can get. So it's nothing but negative 1, positive 6. It's become 5 by 2. It's nothing but, what did you get? We got the common difference here. Yes, we are done with A. We are done with common difference. Here we got the common difference also. It's nothing but 5 by 2. Okay, we are done with all set. Now let us apply the formula. So what's the formula we are having there? The formula is, just now we are discussing nth term of AP. Right. So the formula what is we are discussing is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Which term you want? You want 12th term. So let us plug in there. 12th term of AP. What's the 12th term? A12 equals A. In the place of A, what we are having, it's minus 3 plus, what's the N? N is nothing but 12. So I think he is asking 11th term. Let us plug in the 11th term there. Let us plug in the 11th term. So 11 minus 1 into D. What's the D value we got just now? It's nothing but 5 by 2. Right? What is left over? Only simplification part. So it's nothing but minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. You cancel this. We are getting it as minus 5 plus 25, which equals 22. 11. Conclusion part. Right? 11th term, comma, 11 equals 22. Right? This is how simply we are going to find a specific term. Right? So let me recall. So we are using the progressions, using the nth term formula, we are finding the specific term. So I have taken an example for you. So I have taken a series and the question is, find the 11th term. Okay, as soon as he is saying 11th term, I should get an idea that we are supposed to find A11. A11 is the given question for us. A11. So that's the tricky part. Now, right, A1 is there, A2 is there, A3 is there. I have found out the common difference. Then I have plugged in the formula 11th term. A is nothing but minus 3. 11 minus 1 into D. D is nothing but 5 by 2. If I simplify, I am getting 22nd or 22. Means what? The 11th person sitting in this area. Here the first person is minus 3. Second person is minus 1 by 2. Third person is 2. In the same way, the 11th person is 22. Hope you are able to understand the application of nth term formula. Thank you. Yeah, let me explain you one more sum dealing with the nth term formula. So here if you read the question, find the 15th term of the given sequence, right? It's nothing but arithmetic sequence and we are supposed to find the 15th term. Now let me recapitulate it. So what is an nth term formula? The nth term formula, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. And what are the variables present in that one? The variables, first variable is nothing but a, which is nothing but the first term, and d, common difference, n and an. These are the four variables what we have. Now, as I said you the logic, straight away if you remember the logic, right, as he is asking the 15th term we can say n equals 15. Okay, 15th term, the roll number is 15. We need 15, n is equal to 15. The question is, what is the 15th term? This is the given question for you. So we need a and also the d. Okay, to find the value of a and d, let us get into the question there. The series given is given series of AP. Given series of AP. Right, what is the series there? Minus 19, 60. Right, minus 15 root 6 and minus 11 root 6 and so on. From here we can say a is equal to minus 19 root 6 and a2 equals minus 15 root 6. Let's find the common difference now. Common difference equals a2 minus a1, which equals minus 15 root 6 minus of minus 19 root 6.
If you simplify that, minus 15 root 6 plus 19 root 6. If you check it out, the answer is 4 root 6. What's that? D value. So after getting the D value, the only logic what we left over is nth term formula. We are using the formula of nth term. What's the nth term formula? Just now I said to you, it's nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, after getting the formula, just what we are to, let us substitute the values. What's the a value there? Minus 19 root 3 plus, it's nothing but he is asking us to find the 15th term. We are going to find a 15 now. Plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1, and the d value, just now we got it as 4 root 6. Now let us substitute the values. Minus 19 root 6 plus 15 minus 1, it's nothing but 14, 4 root 6. Okay, it's 19 root 6. As we all know, when 14 multiplied with 4, it's nothing but 56 root 6. Okay, so I think it's 56 take away 19, it's nothing but 37 root 6. So what does it mean? 15th term is equal to 37 root 6. So this is how we are able to find out the 15th term using the nth term formula. Hope you are able to understand. Just applying nth term formula, find it out what are the variables present there, a, d, n and an. Out of that, 1 will be questioned, 3 will be given to you. Here, which one is questioned? 15th term is given, 15th term is questioned. By seeing the 15 at the bottom, we can say the roll number is nothing but 15. What are the other two? A and D. With the help of the series, we are able to figure out what's the A and D values. We have substituted and we got it. Okay, hope you are able to understand how to use the nth term formula. Thank you.
In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos.